Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In today's video, we are making these beautiful coasters, which I hope that you can recreate for your house. What I like about cement is that it's very versatile. Next couple of weeks, I'll be showing you how versatile cement really is. You'll need soft cardboard, pen, scissor, masking tape, and a glass. Now I'm just cutting the ends of the soft cardboard. Next thing, I'll be using a coaster from the coasters I already have around the house. As you can see, the glass here fits perfectly onto the coaster, and that's the size of the coasters that I am making. Next up, I am just going to ruler, guys. Yo, ruler. So I'm just going to use a piece of cardboard to just cut out the 4 pieces of flexible cardboard that I will be using to shape my cement in place so that it comes out as a square coaster. I am making 2 squared coasters, so for this I will need 8 strips of flexible cardboard, which I will join the 4 corners with masking tape. Now I am making 2 circular coasters, and I'll be using 2 paper cups for this. Inside the paper cup, you will see that there is a line there, so I use that line to guide me in cutting. I will now stick my 4 coasters, my 2 circular and my 2 square, onto a cardboard base. So cement, a stick, something to stir with, water, and a mixing bowl. Lokhu kushuba ngathi ama-jungle oats. Now I'm pouring the cement consistency. Ensure the cement is evenly spaced out on all corners. There is no spillage, as you can see. Ngizowashiya omelana ngaphandle for 24 hours. Maseke siyawadecorate. Mase sinama coasters. See you tomorrow. It is now the next day and they've dried. As you can see, there are very coarse edges here, and that's because it is now dry. So we will now be using sandpapers to smoothen them out. Coarse sandpaper and a smooth sandpaper. So all corners and surfaces are nice and smooth. Because we're going to decorate these coasters, we now just need to dust off all excess debris that has fallen onto them since we were sanding them down. For these coasters, the colors we'll be using is white and gold. So I've got gold and white spray paint. I've got masking tape, and I've got a acrylic paint and an old toothbrush, as I don't have a small paintbrush. I'm covering the parts of the cement coasters that I do not want exposed to the paint. Important to note that you can do whatever shape, you can use whatever colors you want to use whenever you decide to make your own cement coasters. And yeah, just get creative. Get creative. Okay, so I've ran out of white spray paint, so the acrylic paint is definitely gonna come in handy. I need to restock on some spray paints. After leaving them to dry for approximately 45 minutes, you remove the masking tape and then you replace the masking tape to cover the parts that have been spray painted and painted, so that you put in your second color, as I want these to be gold and white. To protect my surfaces from any scratches or damage, I am putting glue gun feet underneath the coasters. And there you have it, custom cement coasters. These could actually be a Christmas gift. These could be a housewarming gift to a friend or a family member. They turned out good, if I should say so myself. They really look nice. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you would like to see more cement DIYs. You have you've gotten this far in this video but you haven't clicked that subscribe button. Matter of fact, I know for a fact you've watched at least 2 or 3 videos of mine and you're back to watch this one but you haven't subscribed. Why? It's free, guys. Just click that red subscribe button. I assure you there's no subscription fee. Ki mahala, ki free, ki no paying anything. Promise you. Of people that watch my videos and they're not subscribed. Yeah, I know. And you're one of them. Don't be one of those people. Just click subscribe. See you next week.